Greetings everyone, I'm Greninja, and today it's going to be a short reaction video on Steven Universe. The video is called 1 minute of weird pearl noises by MKatwood. So, the video is about 1 minute and 27 seconds, so hopefully I'll be able to record with that, because I'm having trouble recording lately, so let's get straight into the reaction video. I mean, without further ado, let's get into this reaction video. I gotta admit, all these are weird. Sorry about that. Gotta admit, some of these are funny. Wow. What? Like I told you guys, this is going to be a short reaction video, so like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. This silly... Okay, Wii U was making some freaky features and whatnots and stuff like that. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this short video. Hopefully the camera will be working so we can make like about 15-minute videos again. So I'm not too sure. So this is all we've got so far. So sorry about it being short. So this is Greninja, and goodbye. We were also thinking about doing a new intro and a new outro, but I'm not sure if that'll go well. Let us know. See you guys next time.